Are you tired of missing domain renewals and losing your hard-earned domains? Learn exactly how to find and renew all expiring Namecheap products in under 5 minutes. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the exact steps: logging in, navigating to the Expiring Soon section, filtering by products, and completing the renewal. So let us start by opening up Namecheap.com. This is your main hub for managing everything, and the homepage is where we kick things off. Go ahead and pull that up in your browser. Once you are on the homepage, look up at the top right corner. You will see a button that says Account. Click on that. This is your gateway to all the settings and management tools for your domains and products. It is where everything lives. Now, from that Account menu, you want to find the option that says Expiring Soon. It's usually right there in the dropdown. Go ahead and click on it. This pulls up a dedicated dashboard that shows you everything that is about to run out. This is the spot that saves you from those frantic last-minute searches. All right, so now you are on the Expiring Soon page. By default, it might show you domains, but we want to see all the different types of products you have expiring. So go ahead and switch over to the Products tab. This will list out everything from hosting plans to privacy protection and anything else you have purchased that is set to expire. And here is the really important part. Within the Products section, you can filter down to just see your domains. Click on that Domains option. This narrows the list so you are only looking at the domain names themselves. I have found this saves a ton of time when you just want to check on your most critical assets. Once you have reviewed the list and you are ready to take action, click the button that says View Cart. This will add all those soon-to-expire items into your shopping cart so you can renew them all at once. It is a clean way to handle everything in one batch. Now you are in the shopping cart. You will see a price listed there, something like $110.73. Click on that price. This lets you review the individual costs and make sure everything looks correct before you finalize anything. Double-check that all your domains and products are in there. Finally, once you are happy with everything, go ahead and click on Confirm Order. This completes the renewal. Give it just a moment to process and you are all set. No more worrying about losing your domains to expiration. And that is it. From frantically searching for expiring products to confidently checking and renewing everything in one place. Now you have complete control over your Namecheap account. Thanks for watching.